This is a brand new 2014 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include power adjustable driver pedals, a double wishbone independent front suspension, an integrated tailgate step, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and this Ford features an off-road package. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Vernon Auto Group is located at 2803 Wilbarger Street in Vernon. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.